This video will showcase the migration process of VMware Agentless to ZStack Cloud under ZMigrate disk-to-disk mode. This mode supports the migration requirements of both Windows and Linux servers. Now, we will show you how to migrate Windows Server. The license key is already activated on ZMigrate Management. Use the browser and log in the management. Click Resources to the Cloud page. Click Add and select VMware. To enable API control of the VMware platform, enter proxy server IP address and VMware Cloud authentication information. Click Verify Connection. Then, submit the job. VMware Cloud Platform has been added. The proxy server added on the server page. Back to the Cloud page, click Add and select ZStack. To enable API control of ZStack platform, enter the ZStack Cloud authentication information. Enter the IP address, username and password. Use 8080 port for API connection. Select the correctly time zone. Verify the connection before submit the job. ZStack Cloud Platform API connection has been added. The proxy server has been deployed on ZStack Cloud. On the server page, click to add a new server connection. Select Cloud Type, then select the ZStack Cloud Platform. Select the proxy server which deployed on ZStack Cloud. Click Verify Server. Then, submit the job. We have added the target proxy server to this management console. On the Resources page, click to add a new source. Select VMware Server. Specify the virtual machines to be added. New source virtual machine successfully connected to the console. On the Protection page, click to add a new process. Select the Windows virtual machine and click Next. Select the server on ZStack Cloud as target proxy server. The system will automatically configure information. Custom modifications could be made by requirements. Specify the disks to migrate and click Next. Confirm the relevant information like license and interval minutes. Click Run to submit the protection process. Once complete, a target snapshot created message will be displayed. On the Provision page, click to add a new process. Select the protection process, click Next to start provisioning. We will perform a provision by disk process, utilizing the target protected disks. The system will configure information by automatically. Custom modifications could be made by requirements. Configure the network as needed. Submit the configurations to start the provisioning process. Once complete, a successful operating system startup message will be displayed. On the ZStack Cloud console, we can also find this new instance and gain access to it. The provisioning of Windows VM is confirmed to be successful. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching.